Hello guys, this is your host again Akshita from BHC New Homes, and as you can see today we are here at Vaibhav Builders and Developers Chembur East, Chembur Rising Queens Park. So guys, they are offering you luxurious 1, 2 and 3 BHK residence. If I talk about the major project highlights, they are giving you Vastu compliance apartments. If I talk about the total land parcel, it is in 0.36 acres of land parcel. So the elevation of the project would be G plus 16-story tower. Along with that, there would be two wings. There are 5 units per floor and 3 lifts provided. Guys, today we are going to go and explore the sample flat of 2 BHK 641 carpet. Let me also help you with some of the connectivity and location advantages for this particular project. So coming back to connectivity, you have your Chembur station just at 7 minutes of distance from this particular location. You have your Chembur monorail at hardly 8 to 7 minutes walkable distance from here. You have your Santa Cruz Chembur Link Road in 12 minutes of distance from this location. Again, coming back to the very major USP, you have your international airport at 30 minutes distance from this location. You have all the schools and colleges nearby located from this particular project. You have your St. Anthony School, comes your Chembur High School, your SK Rai College, and lots of connectivity wise major USPs for this location. You have lots of hospitals, your shopping malls, grocery centers, very much next to this project. Guys, coming back to the position of this one, you're getting, as per the developer, you're getting the position in December 2024, and as per RERA position, it would be delivered by December 25. Let us just go forward and explore their sample flat of 2 BHK 641 carpet. So guys, let me just help you explore one of the most premium location project. As said, I am in the sample flat of 2 BHK 641 carpet, and as you can see, I am standing in the beautiful living space. This right here is going to be your entrance area. यहाँ पर आ जाता है आपका enough foyer space, and on my left you have your beautiful dining table. Just have a look, guys. How beautiful this frame right here look. And then here comes your sitting space. This is your sitting area, guys. Some more sitting space. You have your TV unit right here. And then on my right, you have your common bedroom. Here comes your beautiful common bedroom along with a lot of storage space. This is your wardrobe, your queen size bed, TV unit, along with this walking space. And then on my right, let me show you your common washroom. This right here is your common washroom along with beautiful fittings installed. Have a look. And then later to that, you have your parallel kitchen space, guys. This right here is going to be your beautiful modular kitchen. As you can see, they have given parallel platforms. Here comes your dry area, your sink space, your kitchen platform, some more utility space. As you can see, they have given a lot of storage space. And then you have your kitchen unit, kitchen platform, comes your fridge unit space. And then guys, this right here is going to be your luxurious master bedroom. This is your very spacious master bedroom. You can definitely fix in a king size of bed in this bedroom as per the storage. I mean, as per the space. Here comes your TV unit. There is a lot of space everywhere. You can see there is lot of space in this bedroom. And then comes your beautiful wardrobe space. Just have a look, guys. This right here is going to be your wardrobe. And then comes your master toilet. This is your attached washroom along with your master bedroom, guys. Just have a look. They have installed a lot more of premium fittings in their master bedroom. As said, guys, this is their 2 BHK 641 carpet. Vaibhav Lakshmi, value beyond walls. Thank you.